This episode uncovers how memory is not a perfect recorder, but a reconstructive process shaped by attention, emotion, and context. Researchers show memories can be malleable, and even confident recall may betray us at the moment of retrieval. The story brings an incident where a false recollection influenced a historical event, illustrating the stakes of memory reliability. Understanding reconsolidation explains why revised memories can feel true and how repeated retellings reshape beliefs over time. By embracing imperfect memory as a feature rather than a flaw, learners gain tools to question certainty and seek evidence.